everybody, just a real quick update on Jessica. We have had quite a busy last 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, we started out the day at 5 o'clock in the morning. Jessica drank her drink and we headed out to Kalamazoo, and for most of the way there it was a blizzard type weather, so I was sitting there white knuckling it until we got out of that into some decent weather over by Kalamazoo, maybe about 10 miles out. We arrived about 15 minutes late, but thank the Lord they still had a spot for her. Anyway, from there we went into, or she went into pre-op, and they gave her some shots into the muscles in her stomach to kind of numb the area and help with the healing. So she had that plus the extra carbs, and as the day progressed, she got the surgery at about 9:45 and got out about 11:30, and then she was in recovery until 2:30 when they called me back and said I could come visit. And we left the hospital somewhere between 3 and 3:30 and came home. And from there I was over at my mom and dad's, which you saw the backdrop in the shout out video. Jessica was a little bit slow for about 2 days, and then once everything got out of her system from that surgery, she actually was out of any pain whatsoever. She has been doing good. She is doing very well, and we want to say thank you for all the prayers. We really appreciate it. Thank you for all the well wishes and for asking about how she's doing. We just appreciate everybody in this community, and we just want to say how grateful we are that you guys have stuck with us through this trial. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share.